Begin. So, hi Agya, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also good. First of all, give a brief introduction to the audience.
My name is Yagya Patravasis. I live in Bellapur, Vijayawada. I study in Agarwal Public School. I am in class 9. I don't have any best friend and I am coming here just to improve my communication skill. When I come here, I was nothing. I didn't know how to speak. But now I am a little bit confident.
Where do you see yourself after 10 years?
Sir, I don't know, but yeah, when I after 10 years, I will complete my whole education. But I want to do, maybe that I will be giving somewhere interview.
Okay, first of all, I just want to know what do you want to become? What's your ambition?
Sir, now I have decided to become CA. It is my
See, but earlier you wanted to be an IAS officer.
Yes, sir, it is like that. But I changed my mind, and because there are lots of people who have one ambition, but after becoming CA, I have another goal. I want to start a business also because after becoming CA, I will get to know all the accounts and everything. So it will also help me in my business.
What is your strategy for your study? How do you study?
I do not have any strategy when after
And
coming
how many hours do you study by the way at present time?
after school, you're including school.
Like overall, like how many hours do you dedicate to your study?
So only 2-3 hours I dedicate because 6 hours of school and after coming from school 1.5 hour of tuition, then 1 hour here. After excluding all this time, I study only 2 to 3 hours.
Tell two qualities of your father you love.
So first quality is that if I want something, he never denied me. He provide me everything on the platter, and if I want to go somewhere, if I want to, he never denied me, and he never, and until I am 13 years young, he never, till now he hasn't beat me.
Yes, not bitten you.
Yes,
Have you ever been bitten by your mother?
yes sir, I have bitten many times.
Okay. What is one thing that you want to execute in your personal life that your father has?
One thing that is, he is so kind that I have told the incident. Sometimes he become much kind. He is like nowadays he is a very
Kind hearted.
nahi means that he is very kind-hearted. He is kind-hearted, but sir.
Okay, he is spiritual. He is.
Yes, nowadays he is so spiritual and he listen many Ramayana and he study on every Saturday or Tuesday Sundarkand ka part. So these things, because of these things he is he is means that he is
Okay,
applying all the things that Lord Rama have. He is becoming so polite. Earlier he was taking so much stress and he was in angry mood, but now he has stopped himself in such way and he is very polite. These things I like.
What is the reason behind that turning point?
So because after lockdown, last back year, he had pain in his shoulder. So from that point, he started so worship. Earlier he was also doing, but from that point he start more. Then he start reading Ramayana, listening Ramayana. So he start applying the point of view of Lord Rama. What did is he was doing Lord Rama, so the same thing he is applying in his himself.
As you have personally experienced in your home, what do you want to say to the audience and to the whole world? Those are taking much stress and they are compromising with their health. They are working so hard and they are not taking proper diet. They are not taking proper sleep. What do you want to say to these people?
Sir, after taking stress, nothing will happen. You will have to do work by if you cry, so still you have to do work. If you are happy, still you have to do work. So it is better to be happy and to do work. It is not good to be cry, to be stressful, to be depressed, and after doing this work. And because of stress and depression, we get so much disturbed. We have so much angerness. We start means teasing our families, the person who is coming to our home, we also, our mental health is fully disturbed. So we should not be in stressful mood. We have to do work in every situation, so we should be happy every time.
Well, in class.